Mbunge ya Nairobi ni iratigirwo itari na spika thutha wa uria urariho Beatrice Elachi kwiyeheria ni ndũgamano iria ikoretwo ho na kuga ni araruteirwo mukana we na nyumba yake.
You say Elachi has been sketchy with the reasons for resignation. I don't think it's appropriate for me to finish the picture. Let her do it. It's her picture. It's not mine.
Na niguo kuihuria ithenya riri, MCA a Jubilee county ya Nairobi thutha wa mucemanio na mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Tuju ni maiguithanirie kunyita mbaru uria wari mumbunge wa Makadara Benson Mutura kuhuranira giturwa giki.
We know that there are 5 or 6 people who have expressed an interest in the position of Speaker of Nairobi, which recently became vacant, but we wanted to be able to inform our members that after consultations we have zeroed on Mr. Bernard Mutura as the Jubilee candidate.
Mutura agithurwo muthenya wa ruciu agukorwo agiikarira giti kihio kiria kiragithitie Elachi thayo na gutura na bara mahinda kwa mahinda. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Tuju augite itua riri rikinyaneirio ni MCAs undu uria ona mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni anyitite mbaru.
To confirm our leadership in the County Assembly of Nairobi, which has been done after very serious consultations amongst members of the assembly themselves, and of course with some guidance from the party leadership.
Na niguo kuyukia giturwa giki, Mutura no nginyagia ayukie kura gicunje kia 2/3 kia aikia a kura.
Maybe I can introduce him. Maybe you remove your mask a little bit. He just came for consultation.
Mbunge ya Nairobi ikoretwo igitumiro kia haro, MCAs makienda kuhagura spika Elachi makiuga ni akuruhanitio na ungumania na utumiri moru wa wabici yake. Na niguo kunina ngucanio mbunge-ini ya Nairobi, kiama kia Jubilee ni gikire mogaruruku utongoria-ini wakio.
The leader of majority is Mr. Ibrahim Hassan. The chief whip is Honorable Paul Kados. The deputy leader of majority is Honorable Peter Wanyoike, and the deputy whip is Honorable Waidera Chege, and in the county service board we have Mr. Mark Ndungu.
MCAs ni manyitire baru mogaruruku maya na mehita kunina ngui na ngahiha niguo kurutira andu a Nairobi wira.
Kurari na thina wa kindu gigwitu discipline, andu matiraragia in the same voice, na riu ni twachenjia kuma kahinda ta wiki ta igiri ntukoretwo twina constant communication between us na party, na riu ni twakiguanira ati uria mukio ithu tutina speaker itu ni alisainire thiku ta 4 thiru, riu twambiriria guthondeka maundu ma gukorwo na speaker mweru, na ruciu ni tukamuhe speaker mweru.
Tuju ni oririe MCAs manyite baru murugamiriri munene wa NMS General Mohamed Badi niguo ahote kugacirithia motungata kuri muingi wa Nairobi.
Was to request all our members to give the Nairobi Metropolitan Services team led by General Badi all the cooperation necessary so that services can be delivered to the people of Nairobi. I think we have to make the transition from the squabbles amongst the MCAs themselves so that then we can concentrate on giving services to the people of Nairobi.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.